Retrieving all private messages can be a challenging task, but there are several avenues to explore. Firstly, check your archive folder. Many messaging platforms offer an archiving feature that allows you to store old messages separately. Navigate to your archive folder within the messaging application or website and carefully examine its contents to see if your desired private messages are present. If you find them there, you can typically restore them to your main inbox or message list. Secondly, consider contacting the support team of the messaging platform you are using. The support team may possess access to archived messages or have the ability to provide guidance on how to retrieve them. When contacting support, be prepared to provide relevant information such as your account details, the approximate date range of the messages you are seeking, and any other details that might assist them in their search. They may have specific tools or procedures to assist you. Thirdly, explore the possibility of using third-party tools that claim to recover deleted messages. Numerous software programs and applications assert the ability to recover deleted data, including private messages. However, exercise caution when using such tools, as their success rate and reliability can vary. Research the tool thoroughly, read reviews, and ensure it is reputable before entrusting it with your data. Be aware that some tools may be ineffective or even contain malware. Only use them if you are comfortable with the associated risks. In certain rare and critical cases, you might consider legal action if the retrieval of old private messages is essential for legal or evidentiary purposes. This is an extreme measure and should be considered only when absolutely necessary, as it can be costly and time-consuming. Consult with a legal professional to assess the viability of such action and understand the potential outcomes. It is also wise to check your trash or spam folder, as messages may have been accidentally deleted or filtered by your email provider. Sometimes messages are inadvertently moved to these folders, so a quick check could reveal the missing private messages. If you have a backup of your messages restoring, it might be a solution for retrieving old private messages. Many messaging platforms offer backup features, which allow you to create copies of your message history. If you have a recent backup, restoring it to your device or account could bring back the desired messages. Some platforms may have a recently deleted folder, where deleted messages are temporarily stored. Check if this option is available in your messaging platform. If so, you may be able to recover messages that were recently deleted but have not yet been permanently removed. If you are using a web-based messaging platform, try opening it in a different browser or incognito mode. This may sometimes load cached messages. Sometimes browser extensions or cached data can interfere with the display of messages. Using a different browser or incognito mode can bypass these issues and potentially reveal the missing messages. Keep in mind that retrieving old private messages is not always possible, depending on the specific platform, the age of the messages, and the settings in place. Some platforms have strict data retention policies, while others may not offer robust recovery options. Understand the limitations of the platform you are using and adjust your expectations accordingly. To prevent the loss of private messages in the future, consider implementing some preventative measures. Regularly back up your messages to a secure location, either on your device or in the cloud. Enable message archiving features if available. Be cautious about deleting messages and double-check before confirming any deletion actions. Regularly review your message settings to ensure that data retention policies are configured to your liking. These steps can help you protect your valuable message data and increase your chances of recovering old private messages should the need arise. While the exact steps and options available will vary depending on the specific messaging platform, these general guidelines can help you navigate the process and increase your chances of successfully retrieving your old private messages. Remember to exercise caution when using third-party tools and to prioritize your data security and privacy.